Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to take the Duolingo English test. All right. First up, go ahead and open up your favorite browser. And what we're going to do is just type in englishtest.duolingo.com/onboarding. All right. Once done, just go ahead and hit on continue. If you're not logged in yet, make sure to log in. All right. I'm going to hit on continue right here. And it asks, why are you interested in an English test? It could be for admissions. All right, or you're applying for a job or promotion. If your reason is not listed in here, just go ahead and click on none of the above. All right, I'm just going to click on applying for a job or promotion right here, and then I'm going to hit on continue. And it says here, when do you plan to take the test? It could be less than a month, or maybe 1 to 6 months from now, or more than 6 months, or you don't have any plan yet. All right, let's say, for example, I'm just going to click on I don't have a plan yet. All right, I'm going to hit on continue. It says here, how do you hear about us? Select up to 3 options. It could be YouTube or from a family, friend, or peer, or even webinars. All right, I'm just going to hit on continue right here and wait for the website to load. Now you are on your Duolingo English test dashboard. If you want to, you can go ahead and take a practice, which is right here at the bottom left. Go ahead and click on this one if you want to practice. All right, and click on take a test. Now, let's say, for example, you don't need testing or you don't need practice. Just go ahead and head over to the left pane and click on Buy Test. All right. And here, just click on Buy Now. Wait for the website to load. Now, it says here, choose your test quantity. Buy now and take it anytime in the next 21 days. Now, the best value here is for 2 tests, which is $59 each for a total of $118. All right. If you just want to take 1 test, just select this option right here. All right, and hit on continue. And it says choose when to receive your results. It could be same day or 2 days. If you are in a hurry, just go ahead and select on same day within 12 hours. And it is 4 times faster than choosing 2 days. But if you're saving, all right, just go ahead and select 2 days right here and hit on continue and wait for it to load. Now here's the payment portal. All right, go ahead and put your email right here, your country or region. Now your payment method. If you do have a coupon code, just go ahead and click on apply coupon code right here. Enter the coupon code and hit on submit. If it's accepted, well, congratulations. All right. Then after that, just go ahead and put your card number right here. Expiration date, CVC or CVV. Then save the card. Once done, just hit on buy now. Now, after this step right here, there'll be simple prompts. Just go ahead and follow those. And from there, you can begin to take your English test. All right. And that's basically how you do it. And in here in your dashboard, you can go ahead and go to test info. And you'll be able to find the set of instructions for example, the test overview, test walkthrough, and understanding the test scores. All right. Well, I hope this video helps and I'll see you in the next one.